Hey guys, Jonathan Graham here. Today I have a brand new model I want to share with you. This is my heart cube, my Ace of Hearts cube. You can see it's a cube with a heart on it. And so I'll be showing you how to fold that. It's from one square. It is a variation on the water bomb, so it's not too hard to make. So let's make it. I'm going to use it. Those are with duo squares. This is a 6-inch square with white on the back. What we want to do, I want to have a white heart and a colored cube, so I'm going to have the color I want the cube to be facing down if you're using duo paper. And we're going to fold a water bomb base, so we're going to fold this diagonally in half, like this, unfold, rotate, fold diagonally in half the other way. Now we're going to fold this tip up to the top here, fold it over, flip over, fold this tip, bring it up to there, so this crease lines up with the middle. Now we're going to open up the center, open this up, and flatten. That's just another way to do a water bomb base. And there you have your water bomb base. So now to make the cube, we're going to fold this tip only on the top. There's 2 points, we're only going to use one here. We're going to fold the tip to the center, basically dividing this into 4 sections. We're going to divide this section into fourths. Rotate and bring this tip to the center. Now we're going to unfold and unfold. We're going to bring this tip to this crease. Make sure things are lined up well. And unfold. Now we're going to rotate this, and we're going to bring this tip to this crease here, the farthest one. Now we've divided this into eighths. So we're going to leave this one folded, and you can see we have a crease here. We're going to reverse that fold into a valley fold. Same here, fold this in, reverse this crease to a valley fold. So you should have is something like this. We're going to flip it over and do the same. Again, fold the corners to the center, crease well, unfold both points, fold the point to the crease we just made, unfold, and now we're going to rotate, bring this one to this crease here, not this one but the farthest one out, and then reverse this crease into a valley fold, fold this one over and reverse this crease to a valley fold, folding back. So we have something that looks kind of like a little rocket ship. And now we're going to take the fins of this rocket ship and make them into the heart. So we're going to fold this point to this point. So we're going to fold this triangle in half, just like this. Same here, folding this triangle in half, we'll bring this point to the top. Okay, now we're going to do a squash fold. We're going to reach in here and open it up, flatten it, so we have a little square. Same here. We're going to just, these are sort of small, but open the pocket and flatten down into a square. So this point will go right to the middle. There we go. Now we're going to flip this over and do the same. Again, fold this triangle in half, bring this up to the top there, and open the pocket and bring this point down to here, flattening it, squashing it down to a square. Again, fold this up to the center. So took this and we folded it to the top like that. Reach in here, squash, fold it down like that. Now we're going to make the heart. So to make the heart, first let's make the bottom of the heart. We're going to fold this corner, just this flap here, over as far as it goes. Crease it really well. You're going to unfold that, and we're going to reverse that crease and tuck it underneath itself. Fold it into itself. And now I'm going to do the same. We're going to flip it over, left to right like this, and we're going to do the same to this square here. Fold it down, unfold, tuck it into itself, reversing the crease, creating the color change. And so we have, this will be the bottom of our heart. And now for the top of the heart, we're going to do a similar thing. We're going to fold this corner up, but this time we're going to unfold it and we're going to fold this point in, but we're only going to fold it about 1/3 of the way from the point to this crease, about 1/3 of the way to the crease we just made, keeping the point on this, you can see, on that crease there. So I'm going to bring it a bit closer so you can see. So I'm going to fold it approximately 1/3. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just like that. And we're going to fold that over. Now we're going to take this top one here and fold this down and fold this in about 1/3 of the way to that edge. So again, try to go 1/3 of the way. Or you could even go a bit less than 1/3 of the way. That maybe is about 1/5 of the way. There we have one side of our heart. Next thing we want to do is we want to flip this over, that's half of our heart, and do the same to this flap. So we're going to bring this corner to, fold it like that, unfold, bring the tip and fold it about 1/3 of the way or almost to the center if you want. I go about just more than 1/3, almost to there but not quite. And then we're going to take it this side up here, fold this down, and fold that about 1/3 of the way as well, and fold back. It's a bit far. There we go, that's better. So, and I'll bring this one in a little bit more. There we go. So, there we go. Now we're almost finished. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap here and fold it over, and you see we have 3 flaps here, but we're only going to take the top one, several layers of paper, so it'll be a bit thick, and we're going to fold this edge to the center. Crease it really well, and fold the flap over. Now this one, we're going to take just this top one, fold it over. Again, we have several flaps, we'll only take the first one, bring it to the center like that. And then fold the heart back onto itself. Okay, now we're going to just turn this over and do the exact same thing on this side. Fold this over. Now here we only have one. This is the other heart, but we just have one here, so we just take it, fold it to the center line. Crease it really sharply as well. Fold back. And lastly, we're going to take this and fold it over, and take this corner, fold it so this edge lines up, sits on that crease, lies on that crease, and fold back. Now comes the fun step. First, before we do that though, we're going to crease here on the bottom between these 2 points, just like that, and on the top, and we want to make the crease right here. So fold this over, and I just turn it over and I'm going to just reverse that. Now comes the fun part. We're going to inflate this just like a water bomb. So we're going to take it like this, and there's a hole right there, and I'm going to blow into that hole and to inflate it. See that? And you get something that looks like this. It kind of looks like a ball shape. And now we're just going to clean it up a little bit. We're just going to pinch these creases nice and sharp. And these are a bit thicker, so you're going to be a bit careful there not to tear it. And there you have your Ace of Hearts cube. And as you can see, this Ace of Hearts cube wasn't very hard to make. I sometimes like to call this model the Love Bomb because it is a water bomb, variation of the water bomb with a heart on it. So there's the Ace of Hearts cube. I hope you're able to make that. It'd be a great little thing for Valentine's Day, and have fun making them, and we'll see you next week for another video. See ya later. Bye.